Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into one of the fundamental concepts of React.js, which is a props. Understanding how props work is crucial for building powerful and reusable components in your React application. So let's get started. So first we understand what are props in React.js. In React.js, props is short for properties or a way to pass data from a parent component to child component. They are immutable, meaning they cannot be modified by the child component. This helps to maintain the principle of unidirectional data flow in React. Here's step-by-step explanation with an example using functional component. I open my code editor and here you can see I already create a React application with these commands you can see on my computer screen. And after that I run this application with the command npm start, and here you can see this is the output of our application. Now what I can do here, I go to VS Code editor and go to src folder, and in this folder you found this file app.js. I go to this file and here I remove this all the code. Here you can see I select this header opening tag and this closing tag. I select this and remove this. Next, here I write h1 tag, and here I write props. Okay, and now I go to a browser and here you can see I get a props here. So next what we can do here, I go to VS Code again and in src folder I create a component folder. For that I go to this icon and click here, and here you can see I have a folder icon and here I write a folder name component. In this component I created two components. One is a parent component and second is a child component. So I open this folder and click on this file, or you can simply right click on this folder and click on new file. Okay, and here I gave a name parent component. You can give any name to it. After that here I write RAFC and press enter. It generate a basic component structure, and in this here I write h1 tag, and in this I pass a parent component text. Save the file, and next what we can do here, I go to app.js file and here I remove this h1 tag and now pass this parent component here. So for that I import parent component, and next step I use this in this div. Okay, here I write parent component, and after that you can also remove this logo from here and save the file. And now I go to a browser and here you can see now I get a parent component. In next step what I can do here, I again go to VS Code editor and in component folder I create a new component with the name of in the component folder I select this component folder and here I create a child component .jsx, and again here I write RAFC and press enter. It generate a basic code, and here I write h1 tag and in this I pass child component. Now what we can do here I write a p tag and in this p tag I pass hello, and now I get a props from parent component and use here. So for that I go to a parent component and here I import this child component and pass here. So first I import a child component, and after that I use this child component here. I write child component and close this one. Now I send a prop from parent component and then select here use here. Okay, so for that I go to a parent component and here I use a name. This is a props and you can also say this is an attribute. So here I write hello honey. Okay, now I get this props in a child component. For that I go to a child component and here I pass an argument props and save the file, and after that I go to a p tag and here I use this props dot name and again save the file and go to a browser. And here you can see first is our parent component, and after that our child component will be called, and in this you can see I get hello and honey, and with the help of props we can get honey name from parent component. You can also add more props here, so like that I gave a date. You can give anything here, so in date I pass 10, and now I go back to child component, and here I use another p, and here I write date, and after that I use props. Sorry, I write like this, props dot date. Save this and go to a browser, and here you can see I get a date 10. Okay, with the help of props component you can get a value from parent to a child, and I hope you understand the functionality of props. One more thing here, I can use this child component as many times. I go to a parent component, and here I duplicate this, and here I pass a different value. So instead of honey I write a advert, and instead of date 10 here I write 15. Save the file and go to a browser, and this time you can see I get a hello advert and date 15. You can see I use many times this component, this child component. And there you have it. That's a basic overview of how props work in React.js. By understanding props, you can create modular and reusable components, making your code more efficient and maintainable. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more React.js tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video.